We smoking on that perk and we smelling like that stink. We don't give a fuck what none of y'all think. We gon' keep on smoking till our eyes turn red. We'll probably keep on smoking till we end up dead. You Dylan, that's my nigga, and you already know. We just left in with a fast at the drill. Now we bout to spark it up and we bout to get gone. I'm happy I just bought this 6-foot bone, so I packed this boat and I pack it real tight. We gon' be smoking this shit all through the night. Now I'm high as hell and I'm laughing too much. When we smoking that shit, I could never get enough. Now my brain is hazed by that purple haze. This shit is legitimate, now we on the next stage. Laughing and giggling and I don't know what to do. We all said fuck it and went through a drive-thru. Now we back at the crib with a whole lot of hoes. Pocket folded and things you already know. Yo. Come on, man, we gotta get some shit going.